I was sitting on my couch for the third hour straight, phone in hand, thumb mindlessly scrolling. Somewhere between a meme about procrastination and a friend's vacation photos, it hit me. This is how I spend most of my days. The realization tasted bitter, like coffee left too long in the cup. My laptop sat untouched on the table. The book. I kept saying I'd write still, just a blank document. My gym bag gathered dust in the corner, the running shoes still pristine. And my camera? The one I bought to start that photography side hustle? Still in its box after 6 months. I'd become a master of self-deception. I'll start tomorrow when I'm more rested. I need to do more research first. I'm just waiting for the right moment. Then last month, my aunt passed away unexpectedly. At her funeral, I found old journals in her attic. Page after page of dreams she'd put off, opening a bakery, traveling through Italy, learning to paint. When the kids are grown, one entry read. When I retire, said another. She never got to any of them. The wake-up call hit me like a bucket of cold water. I was doing the same thing, filling my days with busy work and distractions, while my real dreams collected dust. That night, I made a list of everything I'd been putting off and realized with sickening clarity, if I died tomorrow, I'd leave behind a life of almosts and maybes. So I started small, painfully small. Instead of saying I'll write a book, I wrote 1 paragraph before breakfast. Just 15 minutes, no pressure to be perfect. The next day I did it again. Some days the words flowed, other days they didn't. But after a month I had 30 pages. I applied the same approach to everything. 10 minutes of yoga instead of getting in shape. Taking 1 photo daily instead of becoming a photographer. Saving $5 a day instead of building wealth. The magic wasn't in the scale, it was in showing up every single day. 3 months in, something unexpected happened. Those tiny actions had created momentum. My paragraphs became chapters. My 10-minute yoga sessions turned into 30-minute workouts. That $5 daily became my first 500 investment. I wish I could say it's been perfect. It hasn't. There are still days when I waste hours doom scrolling. Moments when fear whispers that it's too late to start. But now I know the antidote. Action, no matter how small. Because here's the uncomfortable truth I learned too late. Time doesn't care about your plans. Potential means nothing unless you use it. And someday often never comes. Look at your hands right now. That's your life ticking through your fingers as you read this. The things you keep putting off, they won't get easier tomorrow. The dreams you're waiting for the right time to pursue, that time is now. Close this tab. Pick one thing, just one, that you've been meaning to do. And do it, not perfectly, not impressively, just consistently. Because years from now, you won't regret the mistakes you made while trying. You'll regret the chances you didn't take while you had the time. Your future self is watching. What will they see?